Hey guys, it's Izquieta, co-founder of 5-4. I'm gonna give you my weekly picks here from the new collection that just dropped on our online shop, the Menlo House. This is the BRAYE medium wash, comes in a chambray fabric. As you can see, it is in a normal classic 5-4 silhouette, has a button on the back collar, as well as a tab right here. Very simple shirt, easy to wear with almost anything. I personally think that this color of chambray shirt specifically is a must-have in every single guy's closet because it goes with all light pants and dark pants as well. Next shirt is an Oxford shirt called the RODARTE. I love this silhouette. I'm actually wearing this version in white underneath, and the reason why I like it is because the back itself is longer than the front. This comes in an Oxford fabric front shirt pocket. Pretty classic in general with the exception of the silhouette itself. It's slightly oversized as well, and like I said, it comes in white and blue. Next up is the RIGHT shirt kimono. Comes in a dark rinse wash to it. It has 2 strings on it here, 2 pockets here. Also features a button placket on the sleeve itself. And again, this one's a little tougher to wear. I would wear this with a shirt underneath. You could also wear it with a t-shirt underneath. If you're a little bit more adventurous, you would wear a longer trench coat type or car coat with this. The jacket that I'm wearing, this is a varsity style 5-4 jacket. It is called the BROPHY. Features contrast black and white stripes on the collar and the bottom waistband and the sleeve cuff as well. FF felt applique on the right arm and the left arm. Contrast sleeve hit here and here, and snaps down the front. This is a must-have jacket for every 5-4 fan. As you can see, I'm wearing it. I love it. I'm wearing it like twice a week, and it goes with pretty much everything because black at the end of the day is the easiest thing to wear. Next up is a collaboration we did with Freeman Sporting Club. So Freeman Sporting Club is a brand and shop based out of New York City. They also have stores in Japan as well. It is like a very sophisticated menswear type of place. I think it's in the Lower East Side in New York. I've been going there for about almost 10 years now. Actually started getting my haircut there whenever I was in New York, and then ended up buying stuff and becoming friends with the owners and whatnot. So this is a collaboration that we did with them that just dropped. And this is a rugby shirt that features 2 fabrics. It is in a jersey, in a mustard yellow and navy as well. Features a print on the front, a print on the back, and also a hidden placket with rubber buttons as well, and Oxford collar as well. So this is a must-have for everyone that's into that prep lifestyle. And again, Freeman Sporting Club is one of the best brands out there. 2 more styles from the Freemans collaboration. This is a kind of like a button-down knit of some sort. It's actually very easy to wear in the spring, summer, fall, or winter. This comes in 2 colors, in a red and a navy. Features as well an Oxford white collar. And as you can see, rubber buttons on the front. Again, super easy to wear. For guys that like to wear button-downs, wearing a knit button-down in general is a tough thing to come across, but I at first was a little hesitant when we were doing the design for this, but when the samples came in and we tried them on, they look great. Next up is the THIAGO red rugby. This comes in a red and burgundy jersey. Features a print on the left chest, print on the back as well, a white Oxford collar, and rib cuffs. Last but not least, this is a Santiago t-shirt. Again, very simple, straightforward. 5-4 Freemans, comes in a burgundy color and a very lightweight jersey. And there you go. Guys, thank you so much. It's Izquieta. I'm signing out. These are my weekly top picks. See you next week.